there, Solution Squad members. So I was going to tell you that I'm Miss Spurgeon. I'm going to be the teacher of the Solution Squad class for the Super Saturdays in the fall. I would love to have you all in this class. We're going to be doing a lot of hands-on activities and labs, and we are going to be doing stuff from making your own microscope to building your own balloon cars. So if you really like the engineering aspect of science, this class is for you. To get your mind in the kind of engineering mind frame, I have a challenge for you all. So the challenge is to build the tallest tower, okay? And you need the following supplies. You need a plain white sheet of paper, you need some tape, you need a ruler, and you need some scissors. So the guidelines for this challenge, okay, you can cut the paper however you want, you can tape the paper however you want. However, the tower has to be freestanding, meaning you cannot tape it to the table or anything above it. It has to be freestanding, and you can only use 1 foot of tape, okay, and 1 piece of paper. So I want to see how tall you can get those towers when you got your tower made. Take a picture of it, and then if you join my class, I'd love to see them on the first day of class. See you all later. Bye.